Okay, it's just a quick part one here. I need to change the lock. The key went missing, so we need to get... Ooh, that was bad on the lighting. First thing I'm going to do is take out all the screws on the end plate. There's 4 of them. Then I'll probably have to take off a couple of these to get this out. So that's what we're doing first. Take off the screws. Okay, part 2 of this is you want to take your Stanley blade and cut around the edge. It's hard to see in this light. It's going to be worse over there. But, okay, so then that'll come off. If you don't cut it, it can pull the wood off. Now you got this inside one. You're going to take your Stanley blade and do the same thing. Just gently work it. No, don't have to do it really hard. Just gently over and over until you think you got it pretty loose. Otherwise, it could pull apart the lock, pull apart the wood. It could catch on it, and then you'll have a broken bit of wood to repair. So take your time, gently work that out of there. See, then you have to take the handle off to get the little bolt that goes through. See, if you didn't take that out, you wouldn't be able to get the lock out. So that's what I'm doing now, is just go ahead and get that. Oh man, that's bad. Okay, this last one is an outside gate lock, and the bottom screw was stripped out. So I found this thing in my toolbox. It looks like a left-hand thread, but it's not. It didn't work. And then I thought these things, this is one of those rasping tools, and I thought that would be a left-hand cutting thread so you could drill it and unscrew it at the same time, but none of that worked. So I just took this oh, it looks like maybe an 8mm blade or something, a bit, and just drilled it right out. If I had to, I could extract it on further by grabbing onto that inside, or I could just drill it out again with a smaller drill bit, something like that. But I'm getting a new lock, so I don't need to do any of that. So that's it now. Off to A1 Locksmiths in Woodley, I think, or Early, one of the two. Okay, you got to unscrew this cover from this lock, and these are little tiny screws. Don't lose them. Okay, so now we just take this, bring it up here, stick it in there. Now the big screws go where the little screws don't. So you got 2 brand new screws. So the little screws are going to go in that small hole there that's got threads on it. And you just take that, put it back in the same hole, try and keep it nice and straight, and then hey, just trying to figure out how I got to turn this arm over. Oh, it looks like all I have to do is unscrew this screw right here, and that little section there will flip out. I don't have to mess with any of this back here, it looks like. So that's good. That's well done. You used to have to flip this thing over, but now it's just that one little screw. So that's going to be great. I told you not to drop that little screw. A minute ago, the lock would not work. Okay? So I took that top plate off, checked it. Now I put the top plate back on, and it's working fine. But I dropped the damn screw. So I looked around over here, and I thought I had a replacement, but that's the wrong one. I'd given up on it. I turned around, and there's my baby. That is nice. My old fingers. I should do something. Oh, I should do something different. I'm not going to drop it this time. I'm going to take the bit out and hold the bit in the screw and put it in there very carefully this time, not drop it.